We are all hearing about the next massive leap in AI, right? These autonomous agents that can think and act for us. But there's this huge kind of hidden problem that's stopping them dead in their tracks. So in this explainer, we're going to uncover why so many of these really ambitious projects are failing, and we'll reveal the two-layer secret to actually building them right.
So let's start with the big picture, the incredible promise of what's called agentic AI versus the very real peril that's causing so many projects to just fall flat.
The dream, well, it's simple, but it is absolutely revolutionary. I mean, imagine an AI agent that doesn't just answer your questions. No, it autonomously manages your sales leads. It processes complex compliance reports, or maybe it even handles your entire customer support ticket from the very beginning to the very end. We're talking about complex, multi-step workflows, all done without a human constantly having to hold its hand. That's the promise.
But here comes the reality check. According to some pretty serious industry research from Gartner, a staggering 40% of these agentic AI projects are predicted to be completely aborted by 2027. That is nearly half of these expensive, high-stakes initiatives just ending in failure.
And that brings us to the most important question, right? If these AI models are so incredibly smart, what is going wrong? Is it the AI's fault? Well, the answer might surprise you, but it's no. The problem isn't with the AI's intelligence. It's actually something much deeper. The real culprit here is the infrastructure. You see, these agent systems are being built on foundations that are just way too fragile. Think about it. When you have multiple agents trying to work together, you get these state synchronization errors, where one agent is acting on old information. And if one agent makes a mistake, well, that error just cascades down the entire chain. And what if a task takes, say, days to run and then suddenly crashes? Poof! All that progress is just gone. The AI is smart, but the system it's running on, it's brittle. So how do we fix this? Well, the solution really comes in two parts. First up, we need a better way to get these agents to actually work together, to collaborate on a task effectively. And that's where AutoGen comes in. It's a framework from Microsoft that introduces this really powerful new concept: conversation-driven problem solving. So instead of a single AI trying to do everything, AutoGen lets you build a whole team of specialized agents. And they talk to each other, they delegate tasks, they collaborate to find a solution, just like a real human team would. And look, this isn't just a neat idea. It gets real results. Let's look at the data straight from the AutoGen paper. When they were tasked with solving these really complex, level 5 math problems, a system built with AutoGen got a 66.7% success rate. Now, that's significantly better than using ChatGPT with its powerful code interpreter, and it also beats out other popular frameworks like LangChain. This just goes to show that having agents collaborate, it really, really works. And this case study really drives home the real-world impact. In this supply chain example, a task that required an expert programmer to manually guide ChatGPT took over 4.5 minutes. But the same task, automated with a multi-agent workflow in AutoGen, it was solved in about 1.5 minutes. I mean, that's a 3x productivity gain just by letting the agents handle the collaboration themselves. Okay, so AutoGen gives us awesome collaboration, but that's only half the story. A team of agents talking to each other is great, but what happens if the system crashes right in the middle of their conversation? And this brings us to the second absolutely critical part of the solution: reliability. This really is the million-dollar question. An AI agent might need to wait for days to get human approval or query 100 different services. A simple server restart or a network glitch could just wipe out all of its progress. See, AutoGen makes agents smart, but it doesn't make their execution immortal. We need something more. And that something is a technology called Temporal. It's an open source orchestration engine, but the key phrase you need to know is durable execution. Essentially, Temporal acts like a safety net for your entire workflow. It's constantly saving the state of every single step, so if anything fails, it can just resume exactly where it left off without losing a single piece of information. This quote from the news stack, it really captures the magic of it. It means the workflow becomes fault oblivious. As a developer, that means you can write your agent logic as if failures don't even exist, because Temporal is handling all the retries, all the state persistence, and all the recovery behind the scenes. Your agent's memory and its progress are, for all intents and purposes, indestructible. So what does this level of reliability actually look like in the real world? Well, one enterprise using Temporal reported achieving 5 nines uptime. That's 99.999% availability. To put that in perspective, that means less than 6 minutes of downtime in an entire year with zero data loss. This is the kind of industrial strength reliability that agentic AI is desperately crying out for.
So now we have a way for agents to collaborate intelligently, and we have a way to make their collaboration unbreakably reliable. Okay, so let's put these two pieces together and see the whole picture.
This is it. This is the secret two-layer stock. You have AutoGen acting as the brain, defining the high-level strategy, the conversations, and the intelligent logic of the agents. And then underneath, you have Temporal, acting as the nervous system, providing this reliable, underlying infrastructure that carries out the brain's commands, making sure that signals are never lost and that the system can withstand any shock.
Now, this two-layer approach is a world away from how most teams are building agents today. They often use what are called stateless systems, where if something fails, the agent basically gets amnesia. It forgets everything it was doing. And this forces developers to manually build these really complex and error-prone recovery systems. A stateful engine like Temporal, on the other hand, remembers everything. Automatically, it takes on the burden of reliability, which makes the whole system fundamentally more robust.
So, what does this all mean for the future of AI? Well, this two-layer approach doesn't just fix a problem. It actually unlocks a whole new frontier.
The key takeaway here is this. The next big breakthrough in AI is not just going to come from a more powerful LLM. It's going to come from combining that intelligence with disciplined, robust engineering. To unlock the true potential of AI agents, we have to move beyond just building smart models and start building these resilient, production-grade systems.
And this leaves us with one final and really exciting question. Once we have autonomous AI agents that can collaborate flawlessly on tasks that might run for months without any fear of failure, what becomes possible? What currently unsolvable problems in science or business or logistics will we finally be able to tackle? That is the future this new architecture unlocks.